Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're just here for a quick conversation. We just want to talk quickly about manifestation because the power of manifestation has been really evolving starting from 2023. Everything has been changed, everything is going faster, and everything is happening faster for everyone. So I decided to record this video. If you watch this video to the end, then you could manifest anything that you want in your life. And this is real because it's happening for me and so many other people, so it could happen for you as well. It is not something that you don't have and then you have to do something in order for you to achieve it. It is already within you. You already have the power of manifestation. You are already manifesting everything that you want to have in your life. The life you're living today is the life you have manifested several months ago, or last year, or several years ago. So remember, now in 2023, powers of manifestations are even higher than ever before. If you thought about something before and you achieved it after a while, this is going to happen even faster and more powerful now in 2023 and forward. So remember, power of manifestation is within you. Whatever you think about will come true. Whatever you believe about yourself will come true. And that is what manifestation is. It is very simple. It is not complicated. It's all about what's happening here and here. It's all about what's happening within your chakras. That's all it is. Manifestation is all about your chakras, your mind, your heart. So what we want to talk about here is that now that you know you do have the power of manifestation, and now that you know you have been using it for a long time, you want to know how to evolve your energies, because it has everything to do with energies. You want to know how to create that energy flow within yourself so you could manifest all that you want easier and faster. That's the tricky part. Otherwise, you do have the power, it's all good, but the whole point is that as human beings, we are wired to think about all the things that we don't want to have. We're wired to worry about the future because we keep thinking about the things that happened in the past. Now, as a person who lost a loved one in my life, I lost my only brother at the age of 37. He just passed away to sudden death. And it was a really hard time for me. Now, I could let that negative trauma kill me from the craziness of the what ifs. Now, I could keep thinking about, what if I lose another loved one? What if something happens to another person that I love? What if someone else will sleep and then wake up? I could be thinking about these things, but I don't. You know why? Because if I do, I'm going to make it more possible for me to happen. I'm going to make my life miserable. I cannot manifest all the things that I'm manifesting every single day. So we have to learn how to control our mind, and that is the main part of manifestation. And this short video is all about how to control your mind. There are so many ways. So if you want to learn how to control your mind, there are so many ways you could learn on my channel. Just go on the other videos on the channel and find out what are the things that you could do to control your mind. But another thing about human being is that we want to have a step-by-step guide on how to control our mind. We want to learn everything step by step. So for example, if I see an athlete out there and I want to achieve their level of healthiness, their level of achievement, what I want to know is that what was the first step they did, and then what was the second step they did, and then what was the third for them to be where they are today. So I don't want to hear information from all over the place, because I hear them, I learn them, and then I don't do them. But the whole point is that if you want, you can go back and hear out the videos I have on this channel. They're going to help you a lot for sure. But another way that you could learn my secrets step by step, from number one, all the things that I've done and I do still, all the way to the end. If you want to do it step by step, and if you want to organize your mind, and if you want to have my ongoing support for yourself, there is an online portal I created which is going to help you in crazy ways to achieve your dream life fast and easy while you're having fun. I shared all the secrets that helped me achieve my dream life in less than a year. Everything is there step by step, in the form of video, in the form of PDF, in the form of audios, And I have my monthly rituals updated on that platform. Now, people who join this platform, they have lifetime access to it. So they could always be there for the rest of their lives. I'm going to be their lifetime coach. I coach them and they follow all the steps to achieve their dream life. Now, if you don't want to join my course, it's totally fine. Watch the videos that I have here or find another person who has already manifested their dream life. Don't go with people who are just talking about manifestation, because there are so many people talking about manifestation on YouTube or on Google, but not all of them actually did it for themselves and for other people. Go for the people who has actually done it. I did it for myself. If you cannot connect with my energy, if you don't want to join my course, if you want to connect with someone else that who could match more with your energies, go find that one person who has done it in their own life, and then they could show you step by step how to do it in your own life. My profession, my passion, and everything that I do in my life is in regard to manifestation, because I did it successfully and I enjoyed doing it. I have helped thousands of people do the same ever since. So we have to find that person who matches with us energetically. And if you do find that person, invest in yourself, because this world is supposed to be beautiful. You're supposed to enjoy every second of your life in this world, and you're supposed to live your dream life. No one in this world tells you, not in schools, not in your religion, not in your friend circle, not in your family members. No one tells you that this world is beautiful. You're not supposed to suffer in this world. Suffering, anxiety, and ugly things and disasters are not a part of this world. We're supposed to enjoy every second of our life in this world. And if you're here, if you're watching this video, this is a sign for you from the universe. Follow your heart, follow your belief system, and just do whatever that you have to do to achieve that dream life. If you're interested to know about my online course, the link is in the description of this video. There is also a free webinar, which is free. You could click on the link in the description, no charges, free. You're just gonna go to the webinar and watch some of my secrets that helped me achieve my dream life, and it's going to show you a lot more about what I do and how I did it for myself. So if you're interested, the links are in the description. If you're not interested, find the person who connects with you and do it, because starting from 2023 the energies are getting super powerful, and you want to use this energy in your favor. You want to make sure the universe has your back. So just make sure you do it for yourself. You deserve it. You're beautiful. You deserve to live a happy life. We all deserve to live a happy life. So just do it for yourself. I love you and I wish you all the best. I wish you an amazing day filled with love, joy, happiness, and positivity. If you do like my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'd love to have you in my group of YouTube tribe. And don't forget to press the like button if you do like this little short video that I recorded. And if you want, just go watch my previous videos. Those are also very good if you do want to manifest your dream life. And if you want to connect with me in deeper levels, I'm always on Instagram. Just follow me on Instagram and let us connect. Let us talk to each other. And I'm here to help you manifest your dream life. That's my passion. So just connect with me if you like to. I wish you an amazing day filled with love, joy, happiness, and positivity. And I will see you soon. Goodbye.